Maths is no longer a scary subject, and all thanks to Shashi ma'am. Shashi ma'am told us what is maths fear called the maths phobia and how we stop it. And later in the master classes, we learned a few mathematical tricks. We did a maths magic on birthdays. Interesting, right? Gradually, I started feeling confident in maths. These classes taught me of overcoming fear and solving questions faster with accuracy. And all the credit goes to Shashi ma'am. I like the way she teaches and makes the subject learning more interesting. She always explains with story, which is unique way of learning maths. I always look forward to attend each class, and the best part is, even if I miss the classes, I can refer recordings of the class. Thanks again, Shashi ma'am, for instilling the confidence.